I believe I'm audible, right? Ready, steady, go. Let me check mic. I believe I'm audible, right? Ready, steady, go. Let me check mic. Yeah, it's okay. I checked it. So I'll just pause it. Yesterday I was doing a hack the box machine and I actually solved one. So I thought to do one more machine. Why not, right? So I did easy machine yesterday and yeah, that machine. Which was the machine? I think the green horn. I did the green horn. I don't know. I, I think this is the one I did yesterday, not this one. It was something like board. Yeah, now I remember. It was something started with board. Board led, yeah. I completed this one yesterday. So today I'll be solving one more easy machine. Alright. So I'm thinking to like start with the C or maybe this one because the rating is saying like it's easy machine. Let's find the machine and let's actually connect OpenVPN. Right? Yep. So after that, let's try to ping the IP. Think. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's reachable. So what I will do is just yeah, just go to the parent directory and bug hunting. Let's try to ping it. Yeah, we'll do the basic port scan first. Um, So we'll let this complete. Till then we'll use Obsidian. This one. And we'll make one more this external hack the box, right? The name is Greenhorn. After that, we'll just click on this. It will create a empty file. So after that, we'll just do right click and make a folder with Greenhorn and just paste it over there. So let's just copy the format this one with Greenhorn and change this to STB. The IP we got assigned, right? This IP will change. And the machine link. The machine link will be the URL. Right? So let's change this one also. So after that, we'll have a port scan. That is this. It's taking a bit longer. 75% is done by the way. So let's wait for that. Until then, we can just open up Firefox and paste the IP, right? This one, the IP we could just copy it and just paste it over here. So it's saying not able to connect, and it redirect to the green horn page. So that means we have to add that IP to the vhost so that it can know where to route the IP, right? So for that, what we'll do is open up the PowerShell session one more, and here just see the on this one we'll need to add, but we cannot add like this. So for that, we'll just copy the entire thing and open up the PowerShell as an administrator. So after that, we'll open up a notepad here. Just a second. Yeah, I just typed double notepad, so I'll have to close one. So on this, what we can do is just come to the bottom and just pick the IP. That will be your this IP, the IP. This one. After that, you just paste it over here, and the domain was trying to resolve. That is your greenhorn.stb. After that, you can just save it and close it. Now you can refresh the page, and you will land on a sweet page. So as I can already see, we have Mr. Green and a admin login page, which only asking for a password. So we'll just try to do admin default. Okay, pretty cool. So we have our nmap ready. And if I see port 8000 is also open, that is unusual. Python server hosting. I think someone is already doing some machine out there, so that's why it's just trying to do that stuff. And port 3000 is also open. So if I have to see if everything is correct, port 3000 and one more port was there. That is your 8000. Right? So we have a directory listing and a green on page, and we can actually sign up. Okay, this is unusual. I thought that when I saw plug and the password and its version, I initially thought that it has to be done something with the exploit that has on this particular plug version. But when I came to see like this registration page, I'm not sure like that is the way to do, because we can actually register here an account, and we also have a version right here powered by Gitia, and we have the Swagger files also, which is actually accessible, and we have all the Swagger file documentation for API. That's good. And we have a directory listing. Why is that so? Is someone playing with the machine? Like, is there someone else? Like, already 82 people is actually like playing this machine right now. And if I refresh, it is already using that video. Hello, Junior. We have a password. Okay, we'll just download this. Why not, right? We can just download that. I will just make a new PowerShell station right here because we already have the things what we required, like the open ports and all this stuff. So we'll just copy this for the reference. Why not, right? And you can just add like on port 8000. A file was there that contained open password, but a redact. Okay, so we have the password, but it's redacted, right? So what I'm thinking to do is just come up here. It is this say, playground. I will say let's rename tab. Um, so it's like playground, and on there I will actually make a TV folder, right? I will do this, and I'll just make a folder with the name Greenhorn, and on Greenhorn I will just download that file. Like I have to stay like that. Oh, using the PDF. So now I have this file, right, that is redacted, and see the thing like that is striking on my mind right now is two or three things. You see, the first thing is just a second. Yeah. The first thing is either we can enter the password in Plunk, all right, and go for this particular vulnerable version. The thing is that, so first we'll go with the Plunk, then so open up the Chrome and open a new tab. This one, okay, and it's Splunk 471812. After that, we have a remote code execution on Splunk. That is so weird. See that? And we have this rise in remote cell upload also. So, so if I see Splunk go here, this is remote code execution. It is per it's saying, and yeah, and uh, after that we have this one. Now this is also a reward shell, and we have the last this one by the null security. Yeah. So I think the best one here, like first I will open up a VMware. I thought I will do it without a VMware, but because I have to like run some exploit, I might actually need it now. So just open the VMware. Hmm. Remote code execution, right? What can you see for the default password? You can see on GitHub that will just filter out the result, and we can get more accurate result we want. 4716. We have still the tar and the exploit. For CV, it is 2012. So this is not what we require. I think the CV that we require is this 20 23rd, this one, right? 750. But this is one more another CV, and this CV is different from this one. So I'm not sure. I'll anyway do the both. Right? Okay. So what other thing like I can do is I'll just this was the machine I was doing from the last machine that I told on the beginning of the stream. I was doing a machine yesterday and was able to compromise it. So this is the machine I was doing. So yeah, or let's just try to find the IP first. Yes. Not reachable definitely. So let me try to see the OpenVPN for that case. Okay, we have the web. Just attach it, just close it, and rerun the lab VPN file. After that, try to ping it again. Yeah, now we are reachable, and I think there's a NAT, so that means there should not be an issue accessing that page that is greenhorn.ht. HTTP greenhorn.ht. Uh, There you go. So, so we have a file also. Is that mean there could be an LFI or something? Hacker attempt being detected for security reasons. We're collecting any code execution. So fine. Hmm. Right. Uh, so we have this, right? So what I was doing is I was searching for the exploit. Yeah, this is not okay. Plunk, right? Sorry, my bad. It was not green horn, it was Plunk. Yeah, we have a remote code execution. It's saying so. Just download it that briefly, and we have this site here. Run the Python. So it's saying a module is not found. Okay, if I go install that module. With that, we just clear and run it again. So we need to provide a zip file path. So we don't have the zip file path, right? So, hmm. So we need to provide a zip file path. How we supposed to get that? So what I need to do is I need to see. Okay, this is actually a same. Create a zip file that contains cell.php. I recommend pentest monkey and replace your LP. Okay, fine. So what I can understand from here is we need to upload a PHP revert shell and make it a zip, right? PHP revert shell, PHP and reverse shell. So we'll use this one and copy that file right here and change the IP. That is this one. That with our IP that is 10, 10, 14, and 203. And let's change this also. 999. Let's save it. So we need to make a zip file out of it. So we'll just zip, right? Zip. How do I make a zip file? So I'll just use a GUI then, right? This one I'll just create archive and we have a zip right here. So we'll just change with the name shell.zip. There you go. After that, we can finally run our Xfly and we start shell.zip. So it's saying something is wrong and just broke. Error handling is there. Where, in that case, it's asking for a password. Let's go with this. And it again broke. And interruptions has occurred. URL. See, the point is, it didn't even ask me to like use an IP or something. So I believe when I need to see the code, like where can I put the IP or something. Localhost. Why it is like localhost? I think I need to change it the name from a localhost to my IP, right? This is not definitely what we are. So we'll just find and replace. Can we do find and replace? I think we cannot. Anyway, we'll just change this. The green on SD and I have to make sure that this URL exists. So I'll just copy this once and paste it right here. So I think I need to put, I need to remove this one also, like because the login page, it is here. I'll just remove this line also, and yeah, this line I need to change it against greenhorn.st. Just sending a bogus value doesn't matter what it send. And after that, we just, I think we also need to change this. Let's try to save it once and start to run. At least it's working. Some like I believe it is working. But like after that, how I supposed to like get get the sale right? This is exactly the same exploit. Zip file downloaded, file not found. Zip file download, file not found. What does that even mean? Oh, I think I just messed up. I need to like actually do a listening, and I need to let me provide the whole path, right? And if this doesn't work, yeah, now it suddenly broke again, like the first time what happened. Mm, something is wrong. Max tries Greenhorn port 80. Was that with problem with VPN? That's why it's not getting connected or something. Uh, in that case, I will just reconnect the VPN in case some bandwidth issue or something happening, and try to at least get a reversal like the foothold, and just try to run the file again with the entire path, and I'm hoping to get a connection here. It's good now. Okay. Okay. Cool. So the exploit is almost the same. There is nothing changed. Okay. Is that with the name? Cell.zip, right? Cell.zip. Or it has to be like this. Because if you see right here, right, it is, I believe now it has to be like cell, and on here the this one. But after zip it will be like this. So I'll just have to change it. This is the RC URL, and I think this already exists there. Like if initially the upload was correct, but no, the upload couldn't be correct, right? I didn't send the file like this. Hmm. So just save it and listen the IP and just run the code. Can't find the file. Yeah, I think I need to just reconnect. Just remove the max retries. Okay, first this one is good. Like I can do manual then. So I will do just refresh it and just open up that right. So it's importing a request and it is using a URL this one and this is its upload URL right and this is the packet they're sending. That has to be an easy expert now. There is only single exploit and this guy is here like similar login page and he is doing manually. Yeah, I think we can do like we can do better with manual, right? Because we cannot depend on a tool. Null security guy, please. But that is the authenticated RC, right? But this one first, I need to be on a be on a login page, right? Action equals to install module. So we didn't actually find that. Now it's not even responding. We'll just go with the green horn. Something is wrong. Like the response I'm getting is like coming with a delay. See the like bandwidth issue on weekend, and we can just do the same thing right here. We also had this one and API documentation page. So, we had this page by the way, the using .pdf, right? Hmm. And we have a redacted password. I think this is after the initial food toilet because it's saying currently only a user right root user can represent. So I think that is for the replace association part, I believe. And for this one, I think we require an authentication, or maybe there is an expert. I still believe, but there is nothing like saying that it's an on authenticated page. So we have an API. If I like show you earlier, we have the API Swagger file, and I can just go on playground now and go Firefox cluster, and yeah, I can use this one and just paste 3000, and let's see if we find something good. This particular, yeah, it's saying time out because I believe I need to provide hyphen K for insecure, but if it's still saying they couldn't connect to a target, that means it's still issue with the VPN. So have to reconnect. Hopefully that will solve the issue. This one, and if we still not get fixed, we'll just go to the server and under search on the port 3000. It's saying operation timeout. That means it's issue with the reachability on this current scenario. Hmm. Let me try to bring it. Yeah, I think the IP might get changed or what. So 11.25, right? That is same. Okay. The issue was because I didn't able to hear. My bad. Because I just disconnected from their side. So it's saying file not found. So for that, it actually logged in first. So I'm not sure if we can exploit directly by. I believe we first need the authentication because it's an authenticated RC, not authentic like unauthenticated. So I believe we have like what I'm thinking is like there should be the machine like where it is available. Like an API calls, you can actually abuse some API post request or something from a Swagger file and then get some authentication. And maybe that's how it can be done. But let's see. Uh, if I go like users and maybe some secrets, this is the document is right. We have admin that's redirecting to the user admin. So if I do admin, if I do admin, oh god. Yeah, it's redirecting me to the account registration page. Yeah, I saw that. And we have sitemap, securities, API Swagger, we already know that. And we have Explorer that is redirecting to the Explorer repo. It's like a GitHub repo or something. See, so we have one repo with one green admin user and only one repo. Yeah. So we have this particular GitHub that Git, and we can just download this. And on the maximum cases, like they have some commits like this, and on the first initial commit, they can like disclose some of the password or some PIDs. Yeah, see some red line that he deleted or something like that. What is this bin smiling is it? These are all the zero deletion. So okay, there is no any deletion in this, so there is no point in change like seeing through this. So now my I think I okay now it's on. Sorry. So okay, So we have only one commit that we saw that, and there is no any changes or not any deletion done. I'm mentioning deletion because if something critical has been pushed there, they might delete that, right? But nothing deletion has been done there. So I believe whatever things we found can be found in the source codes. Okay. So we'll see each one. Like we'll go to admin.php and maybe we can find some credentials. What we can do is control F and this password. So pass and nothing on admin, and we just go index, and I believe nothing will be an index, but it's still nothing on index. Install. Change password, login, type level, and nothing in here. With that, will did we go through the login? Require setting password PHP token we have here, and we have some hashes matching the hashes and seeing through the things. So we have robot.txt that is disallowed data and doc. After that, let's go to the files. htaccess. Do we have something? Okay, never mind. So we'll just go to data and install admin CSS. These are the CSS files. So we'll go to setting and password.php. Is this a password? Okay, this seems quite interesting to me. Like that seems more like a hash. So if it is a hash, we can just directly go to crackregistration.net and without using hash card or something. Oh yeah, it was a hash, so we got a password. I love you one. So if I'm thinking correct, we got a password and that was an authenticated RCE. So that means we can now log in. Yeah, the password is correct. So now we can log in, and on here, we can now do the things like upload stuff, right? And now I can go back to see he's expert. Where was that expert? Please, where are you? Oh God. Uh, I think I lost it. I think by it was by null security, so I can still get it. So plug 4718, right? Plug 4718 expired. I'll just add this sword. Yeah, there is a video now. So view site. Okay. Okay. The same person. Okay. So we have an install module. Where was that? We have this page, and okay, we have an install module section here, and on here we let's see. Then we can upload a zip file. Once it user call user function. We have a calculator folder made. Then you want to intercept that. So it's saying, so I will use this request from attack. Check out what will happen on the next post request ID. Okay. Okay. So what happened here? Like, did he change? Uh, did he change the okay? Will anyone try to upload the file to our zip file first, right? And upload. So our has been uploaded. Successfully. There is no authentication asked for me, right? And now I need a path, right? I need the path to trigger that. So what was the path he was using? I see that the directory listing. Okay. It was under data. Yeah. So, is that right? Models. Manage file. You can also upload here, right? Cell dot zero. Oh, it is what I want it. Manage models. I just okay, where was that upload file again? Under action equals to manage model, right? So right after here. Manage model. Action equals to manage models. Okay. So after action equals to manage model, there we have this little thing right here. After like install or add a model to website, I think. Did he add a module or did he install a module? That's the question. He installed a module. Okay. So it comes under a data folder. What was it? So after that, after he just like upload this, it can directly upload itself. After he uploaded a zip file, right? Mental models here, but I didn't see my module on this page. So not sure what I did wrong. Log. There should be a page for directed listing. I believe like something or just a second. Let's see if it's yes under the data and modules. So he's saying it is under the data, not a PSP, right? See, it was after this. Data slash modules. Forbidden. Why I'm being forbidden? I already have. uh, It's under the data modules. If it is saying forbidden, so the data slash modules and the cell at PSP. After that, it has PSP reverse. Yes, file not found. Okay, so that means and it already has the PSP version. What's wrong with this? Use upload. This module has been uploaded successfully, but I need the path. So the path will be around data slash module slash shell slash PSP reverse. That this is the path after extraction, right? After I should be getting a reverse shell. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. This is the extraction path, and we got a reverse shell. So all this is who am I? And I'm a www user. I'm not still not an user. So let me upgrade the shell. Import PTY, PTY, and we can just PTY that's spawn, win bash. And after that, we can do like export sum equals to x sum. And finally, finally, we are in the shell history. Merge this less than right here. So so the quickest way to like escalate you want to do is just to upload a slim piece and just chill out. It's a basically a bash Linux based annotation for local quick classification script. So that you can just do slim piece sh and for log and save that is so log underscore slim piece like this. So we are not doing any kernel exploit here. Suggesting some kernel exploit because if I use a kernel exploit, it might actually break a system. So that is not what I want. So I'll just scroll down and see if I can get other possible exploits. It's still taking time because it's a reverse shell and I don't want to break the shell because the reverse shell is so unstable, right? So let's wait for this script to scan for possible local privilege escalation and and let's try if we can escalate to the other user. Yeah, lot of thing is there. Oh, it's there is a little bit odd thing. If you see user junior is there running the process ID of this one, but the PPID is of the root. Someone might also be trying to exploit it. We have some services like being like this one, writable execution, this. So you have to see all of these to see if there is any possible way for local field escalation. We have some root users, mail, news, this one. We have usual software like sudo, PS people, and we have MySQL. Let's try to search for MySQL. I have to be very sure that I don't miss anything, right? Okay. First, we had this binary, and if I run this binary, it start to run a hosting right on 3000. That's how we saw earlier, I guess, on that port. This one, which what is that one? 8000. thousand was it at 8,000, 3,000? Root URL. Saying running that is called this is the same software of this one. So could be a rabbit hole, but we still cannot ignore this. And I was also interested in one file I saw earlier on a result. What's that? See, we have some of the binary pseudo and all other like new GRP and like what is this? What is this? Interesting files. So like bash RC could not be that interesting. This is the profile, I believe, of his. Yeah, yeah, and we have some credential file on man one. Credential cache daemon. Credentials cache one. You can also see that GZ the permission denied. Or we don't have that permission. After that, we have the open watch and PDF and the root. Root, I think this cannot be accessible because you see, this is the same file we already have it, and for this one, this is not accessible right now. Or can we access it? No, right? I believe that's it. Because we have to again escalate it to even access that user. So there is a possible like escalation where like you can see this. Or what else we might be missing out. I'm definitely missing something else. It's in possible private keys where were found. Yeah, I think. So this is a lot of junk right now. I can just clear this and cat log. Yeah, this one. Junior user can run this. I think then the first escalation, like literal escalation, will be from this one. But if I cat, if I cat this, it's a pass by the strings. No, no, I lost a cell. I lost a cell. Never mind. We can just redo the things we did. Right? And the path was data plus modules plus reversion details. And we can get it anytime. Kernel exploits and what happened here? Didn't like properly rendered, I believe. Didn't found anything, right? We have git and junior. What if I do like sudo junior without any password? Or maybe the password that we have one. I love you one. Oh God. Then why do I need to like even take a reversal? I can just, oh God, this is so dumb. Can I just not do like this? Oh no. Access is I guess closed for that. Why is that so? Uh, yeah, I guess he meant to be like that. I guess so. Yeah, now I can just do this and get a user flag. I will little bit like I was trying to do some extra thing, but it was so simple. Like had was just same password, and I can just generate a key for for this one because I didn't want a reversal like so much unstable. So I want a proper stable reversal. That's why I just connect with SSH. This one, with Junior at the rate green. Oh God, it's still saying IDRSS. Something is error. Okay, never mind. I think we have to do with this. So since I'm on a system, right? We have some of the files, the config. You can see, for example, it's a directory. And we have procs, and under that we don't have anything. Cool. And under that we have doc and PDF file and the PS file. What is this PS file? Okay, I even don't know what this is. I think just a rabbit hole maybe. So we'll run one more limpis. See, limpis.sh is this user now. Because if I run as a this user, the result will be different than the one we got earlier. So it's limpis.sh. So till this was being done, if we remember, we have this file and we got just now also that is the this PDF file which contain a password in a sanitized format, right? But if I just what we call this sanitize, no, office kit, yeah, we can just do like PDF D office kit, remove redact. Yeah, I can do this. Open a PDF in Acrobat, go to the doc, check the game report. Acrobat will find and give you checklist item that can be removed by clicking on it. Okay. So can we do on a doc? Okay. protect, redact, and after that he'll want me to upload that greenhorn file. After that, we can, I guess it's saying we can remove it. Right? How? I think that's much better. Password is too long, I guess. Uh, okay. So we have this also completed our Olympics. Pretty much the same stuff we got on the user www. Nothing extra. This is the same idea as we generated. I think the way to do, like, to solve the machine is to do like with removing the redact. And I believe once we remove the redact, that long string, that could be the hash of root, because that was too long, and we can just like crack the hash, and that could be the same password as the root, and that's how we'll get a root user. I believe that, and I want to believe that, because I don't see any thing here. Like, this is our done, right? We connected, we run a bash, then change, and we are doing this thing as of now. Yeah. So mm, yeah, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll just post 8080, and on that one I'll just download the file, the particular IP that is your. I thought this is a doc file. Oh God, this is not a doc file. I think I messed up there. Yeah. Ah, shit. So let's see redact. I will use all the possible links, two or three, and this is the same website we did on last one. Smart PDF. Please, I have some hopes for from you, and Exchange editor. It's mentioning in an Exchange editor, and I just want to search for this Exchange editor. Remove redact. I believe like if we convert to the word, then maybe we can just drop and like remove the redact part. I think that is required. Never mind. Try to see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Can I select this? No. I think if it is not by this way, then I have to do some kernel exploit. I think we call that not redirect, but depixelize image, PDF image remover. So how to depixelize from the PDF? Wait up to. Let's try that. We have PDF analyzer, PDF parser, recover a password from or pixelize screenshot. And that will be the good one. Pixelized. Okay. Okay, this is what we required exactly. Is there any online tool like or this has to be done from the CLI? in that case, P for the path of your image as, like what do you mean by as? Like not as exactly as. We know we have the path and we know where to save, but how do we suppose to provide a search image, Windows 10? Okay, we have dpix and we have one more. I think there are two things. So toolboxes, two or three things are there, and yeah, we need to do some hit and trial to make this work. So with clone dpix, yeah. So we'll provide the path that is dpix greenhorn, and within greenhorn we have use that PDF, right? For as images, I think this is the path. So we already have the same path. So what we'll do is better than doing that here, we'll just copy that to tpix, and within the tpix, we'll just now run Python 3 tpix.py, and the p using s is the same path. I guess it will be on the same that this one. Yeah, this one because it has the folder right within the images, and we can just use this one, and the output will be here. What went wrong here? Cannot identify image. Think we can do like this, and iPhone PD we can just okay. Which is so much tiring. But the thing is, It's using a PNG file, and we have a PDF file. One more issue we have, the bigger issue, I will say. Never mind. What we can just do is, I just want to take a screenshot and try to save it under here and open that. We have a PNG file now. Paste. After after giving a PNG, we'll just take over the PNG PDF. And uh, just a second. Yeah, sorry. Got a delivery boy, so have to pick up delivery. So where was I? Pixel image, right? Yeah. Python 3, the image. What error I'm getting? The argument with the tag hash is not to a file. So we don't have the file with that name, you mean to say, right? Yeah. So what we'll do is images, source images, and on here we have this. And on here I will just keep the entire images, then your search images, notepad window, close and space. Yeah, there you go. Scanning in. Okay, we have new red images. Oh god, I can see literally nothing still. Ah, the thing is, it's only support the like JPEGs. I need something that can support a PDF, and if it can support a PDF, like something that tool. Ah, I just saw about this tool, PDF images. So what it does is it's actually extract all the images file from a PDF, right? Yeah. For that, we need this. Just copy that and just install sudo and so it's saying a missing file. It will take a lot of time now, or it will be done quickly. Let's see if it gets quickly done. We're so close. I believe now the only thing left is to extract the password from a PDF that is the pixelized. And I believe that's either a password or a hash. I told if it was a hash, we can just crack it. And that will be your pseudo password. That is your root password. And just grab a root file, and that's it. PDF images. And after that, we need to give a path of the PDF. That will be your. Let's go. That will be your this one. We'll just copy the URL and just download it over here. Like this, and just PDF images and the file open was, and let's see the documentation. Yeah, after that we can do like PDF images, PDF, and the path. Okay, the path will be the current directory. Okay, I think something is wrong here. Let's say images. Okay, images at pppm. So we have this file. XTZ. Yeah, finally we have the file, and we need that, yeah, this tool again. So just git pix, just go and git clone, so just cd pix. After that, it was, let's see the recommendation, pix the path, the path that is your images. Oh god, not here. So you just come back and just copy the images file to dpix, and we'll go back to the dpix and just run -3 dpix -p images and tag as. That will be your images, and after that search images, Windows close and space that one, and the output file, hopefully we'll be able to do that time. Like this time we'll be able to find depixelized image. But how, like technically, like, logically, how it will be possible to like depixelize something? Maybe it could be with the AI or something. Not sure though. See, right? This is the depixelizing. Oh, why not visible? I'm just doing scroll and it's. Oh no. So this is the depixelized image, and I think it uses some AI or something to like see through this. Transform, enhance. Ah. Yeah, it's saying it's done, and it is there, and output. Little bit, I can see side from side, the other side from the side, the other side. Oh god, it's saying side from side, the other side, side from the side, the other side, side from the side, side from the side, the other side. Is this a password? Side from the side, the other side. Okay. Side from the side, the other side, right? Okay. The password was welcome one. Okay, why is that not the welcome one? I love you one, sorry. Wait, what? Oh, I don't know, some typo mistake or something. I typed the same thing. Still buffering. There you go. And I think it was under module. My brain is not working. Was it on a module? Third module? No, I guess it was on a module. Spanish module, I guess. Yeah. There we can just upload our shell and just upload it. And just refresh this file. And somewhere we should be getting reversal. There you go. So we'll just go to root and on password of root will have like side from the site, the other side from the site we just type it, brother. Wait, so much stressful. Side from the side, side from the side from the side from the other side, side from the other side, side from the other side, side from the other side. So it's two times. So just copy and paste it. So this is our root password. Just paste it. Okay, something is wrong. I think it broke again. Okay, that's not really good. You just upload that and refresh, get a cell and sudo su and the password. ID. No, something is wrong. The password no. Okay. Password sudo password is required. Just a second. Just one thing, sudo su. What was the user who had the access? Junior, right? The password was same, right? That is your I love you one. And after that, we are after that we can do sudo, right? Sudo su. And we have the password for that also. Side from the side, side from the other side, side from the other side. Why it's saying command not found? Bash line number 3. This is not a command. So you can do su root password. Authentication failed. So that means it has to be single time, right? If this is not a password, you can just side from the other side. Like this. Now it got crashed again. Side from side the other side. Side from. Okay. I think I choked a bit. It is something else. I typed something else. Side from side the other side. And this is to time. The last time. I hope this time it will work. Please work. We'll just add a module. I think I need to reconnect the VPN again. Yeah, correct. So after that, we'll just browse in to the cell, upload, and refresh it, and directly we'll go to root. Finally, we've done this. We'll quickly go to root and just get the machine. This one. We'll just come in here, submit, and after almost 2 hours, finally did it. Like, not the fastest one, but yeah, we almost completed. Like the guy already completed, the champion already completed in 44 minutes, but we took around 2 hours to complete. Pretty cool. So that's all about this stream. I don't know if it was working. Let's see. That's all about this stream. It was working. So see ya, bye. Good night. Not a good night, good evening.